Hey guys, Josh here from Stellar. If your NAS suddenly went offline, files vanished, or you can't access your data anymore, don't panic. It happens way more often than you'd think. Today I'll show you exactly how to recover your lost NAS data safely using Stellar Data Recovery. No risky rebuild, no guesswork. Let's jump right in. Here's what we'll cover. What a NAS actually is, why data sometimes disappears from it, and how to get your files back step by step without damaging your NAS server configuration or making things worse. Whether you're on Synology, QNAP, or ASUSTOR, this will work for you. So, what exactly is a NAS, or Network Attached Storage? Think of it as your personal cloud server. It's a small box that connects to your network, letting everyone in your home or office access shared files. Most NAS systems also run RAID configuration, which adds redundancy for reliability. Sounds bulletproof, right? Well, not quite. Updates can fail, drives can die, or file systems can corrupt, and suddenly your data's gone from view. That's when panic sets in. But it doesn't have to. Part 2, why NAS data loss happens. Here are the most common causes of NAS data loss: accidental deletion or formatting, firmware or OS crash, drive failure, yes, even with RAID setup, sudden power outage, file system corruption. In most cases, your data isn't gone. The NAS just can't load it properly. The worst thing you can do is start running random fixes or rebuilding the RAID. So stop using the NAS immediately. That alone helps protect your data. Here's what you should do instead. Power down the NAS, carefully remove the drives, and connect them directly to a Windows PC using SATA or a USB cable. This prevents the NAS operating system from overwriting or auto-rebuilding your RAID, which can make NAS data recovery impossible. Once the drives are safely connected, you're ready to recover the data properly. For this job, Stellar Toolkit for Data Recovery is built exactly for situations like this. It supports NAS devices from Synology, QNAP, ASUSTOR, and other brands, with RAID levels 0, 1, 5, 6, and 10, and file systems including EXT2, EXT3, EXT4, BTRFS, and more. Here's how to use it. 1. Remove the NAS drives. 2. Connect them to your PC via SATA cable. 3. Launch Stellar Toolkit for data recovery. 4. Select the NAS drive. 5. Run a deep scan. 6. Preview your recoverable files. 7. Recover them to a different drive, never the NAS disk itself. Once your files are safely restored, you can rebuild your NAS and move everything back, clean and stress-free. So remember, if your NAS goes down, don't rebuild, don't format, don't run check disk, just scan first. Download the free trial of Stellar Data Recovery, check if your files appear, and recover what you need. You'll find the link below. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you'd like me to do a Synology or QNAP specific walkthrough next. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.